Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to do a unboxing of my latest Go Getter Girl planner haul, and I'm going to show you two of her notebooks that I previously ordered. So I have not opened this. Luckily, Rachel puts address labels on the bottom of packages, so I don't have to worry about pulling my address label off. Alright, so let me get some stuff out of the way. She always does such an amazing job with her packaging. It's always so pretty and so impressive. I guess these would be goals for me in my shop, right? Look at this. Look at this bow, this ribbon. So pretty. Okay. So I got a planner, and I'll tell you the story. Maybe before I actually open the planner, I'll tell you the story of how I ended up getting the planner. So I ordered two of her large notebooks, and this is the marshmallow color. And so it came with a few defects, like there was some kind of stain or rub off there. And then it's just got a few little defects on it. So she gave me a coupon, like a discount code, to use to replace this or just to get something else. So all I did was, on the front cover, I put some of my neutral outline floral stickers on it, and I think it's just really pretty with the color. And then I did some on the back too, just to cover up those blunders, because this is still a very usable notebook. So this is the lined version, and these are the large size. So I have the lined, and then the pink one. This type of material is much less resistant to staining. You can tell that it kind of has like a shimmer. It's more of a gloss, whereas this is a matte type cover. So this is a lot more resistant to staining and defects. So anyways, this is the magnet closure. This one is, I'm sorry, the buckle closure. So the magnet closure, this one is bullet journal. So I'm excited to get started using these. Her paper is like incredibly thick. Just these notebooks are, these are awesome notebooks. So I thought that I would use these for, this one is probably going to be just like for journaling, like normal journaling. And then this one, I may end up using this one for business expenses. I'm not sure yet. But I just had to have them. So with my coupon to replace that notebook, I ended up ordering a planner to show you guys. And look how pretty this is. I really wish that I was like a hardcore coil person. I'm not, but I do really want to try to use this planner for something. Sorry about the noise, because Rachel's planners are just very, very high quality. So this is an undated. Let me try to look and see if I can find out what this one is called. It's just a really pretty soft pink with gold foil. It's got gold stars on it. Very pretty with the pink and the gold. Very pretty, and it feels good in my hands, like it's a sturdy, solid notebook. And then it has these gold corner accents so that you don't bang up your corners, because this is a really thick, like, I don't know, cardboard maybe. But let me look real quick and see if I can find what the name of this color is for you guys. So this color is called Just Blushin'. And if you follow me for long, you know that blush pink is my all-time favorite. I mean, look at my shirt. So let's go ahead and open it up and look on the inside. So Rachel has a message here. A go-getter is an independent woman who knows what she wants and how to get it. She will not stop until she's satisfied with what she has achieved. She speaks her mind and stands up for what she believes in. So this is like life goals for me right now, if you know everything that's going on with me. And then her planners also come with a bookmark, and I did order extra bookmarks as well. I don't know what I did with them. I am terrible about putting things where I can find them, and then I can never find them. So that's a whole nother story. Oh, and another thing I got, real quick, I just saw them. So I got her sticky note set. I can't remember what this is called either, but it comes like on a cardboard cutout or like a cardboard sheet, and there's all 4 of them together. So I just cut them out, and I have them on my cart here. But these are just really pretty bright, happy colors. If you know me, you know that I like the bright, happy colors as well. And so it's not like I needed more sticky notes, because I have more sticky notes than I could ever use in my lifetime. But I just had to have those. And so we have some gold foil glossy clear tab labels, because this is an undated planner. Uh-oh. I just noticed an error. So it looks like this pre-planning page may be cut off just a little bit too much. We'll just have to look through the rest of the planner and see if I see any other errors. But like I said, Rachel has been amazing at making it right. And as a small business owner myself, that is something that's very important. I actually had somebody email me this morning that somehow she received her package, and then she received a second package. I accidentally put someone's order in a envelope and put a shipping label to the wrong person on it, basically. So of course I'm going to make that right. So anyways, Rachel is like really great at making right whatever may be wrong with your order. So we have an intro here, and I do have like a thorough, I think it's thorough, flip through of a 2021 planner that I ordered from Rachel last year. I never used it, but I do really want to start using this planner. Even if I don't decorate it and don't show it, I just kind of want to use it maybe as like a daily brain dump type planner. I don't know. We'll see if I can't put this into my lineup somehow. So this says, don't let anyone tell you who to be or write your story. This is your story to tell. Always has been, or always will be, and you are the main character. So then we have like a journal prompt here, goal creation, and so you know I do have my power sheets, which I'm not been doing very well at doing those because I've had a ton of orders lately. But I would love to get really into goal setting. And then we have your future self. So this is like a type of vision board, I guess, for who you want to become. And it says write a letter to who you're becoming. This would be great for me right now at this point in my life. Conquering limiting beliefs. I like this. I really like this. So yeah, I'm going to be filling this out. Rainbow roadmap. A map to your dream life. Rachel does such a great job. A morning routine creation. Ooh, not a morning person. I'd love to be. So we'll see if I can't make that happen. Then we have a plan tab. It's okay to be focused on you, your growth, your dreams, your impact, your peace, your life, your peace. That's me right now. So we have a 2022-2023 calendar. And then we have pre-planning, and it goes July to December 2022. I wonder if something is missing from here. I don't know. And then we have January to June 2022 holidays. The journey to your biggest dream starts now. It starts when you decide you're welcoming in your future self and embodying her today. Her thoughts, her resilience, her determination. Right here, right now. And then we go into our first monthly tab. And so Rachel's planners have a horizontal monthly, which is pretty cool. Of course, like I said, this is undated. And then we have a horizontal monthly goals, action steps, and monthly budget. What habit are you trying to break this or create this month? We have a monthly vision board. I love this. And then we go into our weeklies. Of course, undated. I love that because if I don't use it this week or this month, I can always pick it up whenever. My focus priorities for this week are, and then we have invest in your best self. Investing doesn't just mean money. It means time. It means effort. It means energy. Invest it wisely. Very, very cute. Then we go into our dailies. So our dailies have a gratitude section, a place for your date, just a blank page or a blank spot here. Work to do, personal to do, health. Did you move closer toward breaking or creating your habit today? Then we have a notes section, and our hourly schedule goes from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. So then we go for Our weekend is on 2 days, both days, Saturday and Sunday are on the same page. And then we go back into our weekly. So let's just take a look at the dividers. I love how there's like no color, except just a little bit of color on the tabs. I'm absolutely unavailable for anything draining my energy more than serving it. I'm unavailable for anything distracting me for what I am trying to achieve. I like that. All right, and then we go back into the same monthly. The biggest barrier between you and everything you've always wanted is your own mindset. You attract what you're ready for. That is the truth. Oh, I didn't show you guys a, sorry. So at the end of the month, you have a fulfillment blueprint. Pause and reflect here. Then we have a go-getter reflection. Pause and reflect. I like this. Okay, and then we go into the monthly. Something truly special happens when you let go of what you thought your life would be and you listen to where you're being pulled to. It wasn't meant to be easy. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. Be extraordinary. Be okay with being extraordinary. I like that. Go-getters don't wait for magic to happen. We make magic happen. Make it happen this month. Yours. So this is a 6-month undated. I think, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 6 months. Okay, so cheers to the next 6 months. We're so proud of you for committing to yourself every day. Start your day and dreams with us. And then we have an extras tab. So this says you can either start scared or never start and stay where you are. The choice is yours. I like that. We have an address book, passwords, lists. So we have 2, 4, 6. Nope. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 sheets of list, and then we have notes that go to the back of the planner. And then she has this gorgeous gold foil blush pink folder in the back. So that is my Go Getter Girl undated 6-month coil bound planner. I'm excited to somehow incorporate this into my lineup. Whether or not I'll be doing videos and Instagram pictures, I don't know, or posts or whatever. Y'all let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried a Go Getter Girl planner? If I can find any discount codes or anything like that, I will link them in the description for you. And if you are using one, let me know how you like it. So that's it for this flip through video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.